Viewers and friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this class, I am going to solve NCERT trigonometric solutions, which are very important questions. I have already uploaded 5 parts. This is 6 parts. I have chosen 5 sums in part 6. So, first problem, cosec theta minus cosec theta by cosec theta minus 1 plus cosec theta by cosec theta plus 1 is equal to 2 sec square theta. 1 by sec theta minus 1 plus 1 by sec theta plus 1 is equal to 2 cosec theta into cot theta. Under root sec theta minus 1 by sec theta plus 1 plus under root sec theta plus 1 by sec theta minus 1 is equal to 2 cosec theta. So the fourth question, tan theta by 1 minus cos theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. The fifth question, cos theta minus cos theta minus sin theta plus 1 by cos theta plus sin theta minus 1 is equal to cosec theta plus cot theta. So, okay friends, first problem. So, cosec theta by cosec theta minus 1 plus cosec theta by cosec theta plus 1 is equal to 2 sec square theta. We have to prove 2 sec square theta. Now, simply I am taking LHS. Taking LHS, so LHS means left hand side. Cosec theta by cosec theta minus 1 plus cosec theta by cosec theta plus 1. So cosec theta we can written as 1 by sin theta by cosec theta we can written as 1 by sin theta minus 1. Plus again 1 by sin theta by 1 by sin theta plus 1. So 1 by sin theta as it is. So I am taking LCM of denominator. So what? So LCM is sin theta. So 1 minus sin theta into 1 sin theta. Plus, now second part, 1 by sin theta is as it is, and I am taking LCM of denominator. So LCM is sin theta. So 1 plus sin theta into 1 sin theta. Okay. So sin theta, sin theta, sin theta, sin theta both are get cancelled. So what is the remaining step? 1 by 1 minus sin theta plus 1 by 1 plus sin theta. Okay, now take LCM. So we get 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. So 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta get cancelled. So what is the remaining? 1 plus sin theta. 1 plus sin theta into 1. 1 plus sin theta plus 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta both are get cancelled. Just imagine 1 minus sin theta into 1, 1 minus sin theta. Okay. So plus sign, minus sign both are get cancelled. So 1, 1. Value is 2 divided by a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. Okay. So 1 square value is 1. So since a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. We know that formula. That is 2 by 1 minus sin square theta we can written as cos square theta. Because again since sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, the cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So this is the identity equation. This is the identity equation. So 2 into 1 by cos square theta we can written as sec square theta. Again, since sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. Here I have taken left hand side and I have proved right hand side. Hence, proved. Okay friends, second problem. 1 by sec theta minus 1 plus 1 by sec theta plus 1. Here we have to prove 2 cosec theta into cot theta. Same. Taking LHS left hand side. So 1 by sec theta minus 1 plus 1 by sec theta plus 1. 1 by, so sec theta we can written as 1 by cos theta plus 1 by sec theta we can written as 1 by cos theta plus 1, since sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. So 1 by, I am taking LCM of the denominator, we get, so LCM is cos theta. Cos theta 1 minus cos theta into 1 cos theta plus 1 by, I am taking the LCM of the denominator of the second part. This is the first part and this is the second part. So LCM is cos theta. So 1 plus cos theta into 1 cos theta. So cos theta by 1 minus cos theta plus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. This step simply we can written as this, since 1 by x is equal to x. Okay. Now here take LCM. 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. The LCM is 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. So 1 minus, just imagine 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, both are get cancelled. So what is the remaining? 1 plus cos theta into cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta get cancelled. So what is the remaining? 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta into cos theta. So friends, I hope you understand this step. So cos theta into 1 cos theta plus cos theta into cos theta cos square theta plus cos theta into 1 cos theta plus into minus cos theta into cos theta cos square theta divided by, so a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So here 1 square value is 1. That's why I have written only 1. So plus cos square minus cos square get cancelled. What is the remaining? Cos theta 2 cos theta. So 1 minus cos square theta we can written as sin square theta. Again, since sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, so sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. So in place of 1 minus cos square theta, just I have written sin square theta. Nothing will happen. So 2 by sin theta into cos theta by sin theta. Nothing will happen. Okay. So 1 by sin we can written as cosec theta. Cos by sin we can written as cot theta. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Okay friends, I hope you understand this problem. Once again I am saying, taking left hand side, so sec theta we can written as 1 by cos theta. Take LCM, we get this step. So cos theta by 1 minus cos theta plus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Again take LCM, we get this step. So multiply the cos theta inside, we get this step. So a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, minus plus cos square minus cos square, both are get cancelled. So 2 cos by 2 sin square. According to identity equation, 1 minus cos square theta we can represent as sin square theta. So just I am separated this step, we get this one and 2, 1 by sin, this cosec theta, cos by sin, is a cot. Therefore, hence proved. I have taken LHS and I have proved RHS. Okay friends, third question. Under root sec theta minus 1 by sec theta plus 1 plus under root sec theta plus 1 by sec theta minus 1 is equal to 2 cosec theta. So here we have to prove 2 cosec theta. So I am taking LHS. Sec theta minus 1 by sec theta plus 1 plus sec theta plus 1 by sec theta minus 1. So under root sec theta we can written as 1 by cos theta minus 1. So 1 by cos theta plus 1. Simply in place of sec theta I have written 1 by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta minus 1. Okay. So take LCM here. We get 1 minus cos theta by cos theta. Again take LCM of the denominator. We get 1 plus cos theta by cos theta. So under root plus here take LCM. We get 1 plus cos theta by cos theta. Okay. So we get, take LCM of denominator 1 minus cos theta by cos theta. Cos theta, cos theta, cos theta, cos theta both are get cancelled. So what is the remaining? 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta under root plus 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta under root. Okay. So here, so I'm taking rationalization of denominator. I'm taking the rationalization of the denominator. I get 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta under root plus similarly 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Okay. So 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta whole square by a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Okay. So here root, I am writing root separately, nothing will happen. Plus, so 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta whole square under root divided by 1 minus cos square theta under root. So a plus b into a minus b, square root square root square root square. Sorry. Okay. Now 1 minus cos theta by under root 1 minus cos square theta we can written as sin square theta plus 1 plus cos theta by under root sin square theta, because sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. So square root get cancel now. So 1 minus cos theta by sin theta plus 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. Take LCM here. So sin theta is a LCM. 1 minus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta. So minus cos theta plus cos theta get cancelled. 1 plus 1, 2 by sin theta. So 2 by 1 by sin theta we can written as cosec theta. Since cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. So I'm taking LHS and I have proved RHS. Okay, friends. Fourth question. So left hand side. So tan theta we can written as sin theta by cos theta by 1 minus cot theta we can written as cos theta by sin theta plus cot theta we can written as cos theta by sin theta by 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. Okay, so sin theta by cos theta as it is by, I am taking LCM here. So LCM is sin theta. Sin theta into 1 sin theta minus cos theta plus, so cos theta by sin theta as it is. So I am taking LCM here. LCM is cos theta. So cos theta into 1 cos theta minus sin theta. Okay. So sin theta by cos theta into sin theta by sin theta minus cos theta plus cos theta by sin theta into cos theta by cos theta minus sin theta. Okay. So sin theta sin square theta by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta plus cos theta cos square theta by sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Okay. Just here common factor is, so we will like next step sin square theta by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Okay. Here I am taking minus common. So minus into plus minus cos square theta by sin theta into, I have taken minus common. So signs of the signs will change. So sin theta minus cos theta. So sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta, common factor. So 1 by sin theta minus cos theta. I have taken 1 by sin theta minus cos theta common. We get sin square theta by cos theta minus cos square theta by sin theta. Okay. So 1 by sin theta minus cos theta. So here take LCM, we get sin theta into cos theta. So sin get cancelled. What is the remaining? Cos theta into, so cos theta get cancelled. Sin theta into sin square theta, sin cube theta minus sin get cancelled. Cos theta into cos square theta, cos cube theta. Okay. 1 by sin theta minus cos theta. So we know that a cube minus b cube formula. We are writing here. So x cube minus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Friends, this is a formula. X cube minus y cube formula is x plus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Sorry. So x minus y. It is a x cube minus y cube formula. X minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. So here x means sin theta, y means cos theta. So xy means sin theta into cos theta into sin square theta plus cos square theta plus, just rubbing is this one, plus sin theta and cos theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. So sin theta minus cos theta both are get cancelled. Sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. So 1 plus sin theta cos theta by sin theta into cos theta. So 1 by sin theta into cos theta, just I am separating this one, plus sin theta cos theta by sin theta into cos theta. Just I have separated. So sin theta cos theta get cancelled. This is 1 by sin theta into 1 by cos theta plus 1. So 1 by sin theta we can written as cosec theta. So 1 by cos theta we can written as sec theta plus 1. 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved.